Hello boys and girls, this is Mr. So. Welcome back for another lesson of biology. Today we are going through lesson 30 of chapter 27, the chromosome mutation. Before you start watching the video, remember to like and subscribe my channel and also share the video to your classmates. Let's start. Chromosome mutations means the change in the structure or number of chromosome. To understand chromosome mutation, we have to first take a look at the structure of a chromosome. Chromosome, it is made up of many DNA calling up together to form a thick chromosome. And for each part of the chromosome, for example, a segment of the chromosome consists of a segment of DNA. Each of them, they are gene. For example, you see insulin gene, you see the gene for controlling the height, and the gene for controlling hair color. Chromosome mutation can be brought about by a deletion of genes. Maybe, for example, deleting the insulin gene, duplication of genes, making one extra gene in your chromosome, inversion of the genes or translocation of the genes. All this, we call this the chromosome mutation. The first type of chromosome mutation, we call it deletion. You are deleting part of the chromosome, which leads to deleting part of the gene. This is the loss of gene as deletion. The second type of chromosome mutation is duplication. You can have part of the chromosome duplicated in the amount doubled and then putting it back into the chromosome, leading to a gain of genes. There are extra genes than before. An inversion of the genes is also a type of chromosome mutation. The order of the genes can be inverted. The fourth type of chromosome mutation is the translocation mutation. On the diagram shown, you have two different chromosomes. They are the non-homologous chromosome. When translocation occurs, part of the chromosome on the two different chromosomes will be exchanged. After changing part of the chromosome and after changing part of the genes, we call this the translocation mutation. And the translocation mutation might lead to some genetic disease such as cancer, 癌症. A very typical example of cancer caused by translocation mutation is leukemia, 血癌. Besides changing the chromosome structure such as by insertion, deletion, duplication, and translocation of chromosome, changing in chromosome number can also be another type of chromosome mutation. A very typical disease is called Down syndrome. Down syndrome is caused by a change in chromosome number 21. For the people who are having Down syndrome, 唐氏綜合症, they have an extra chromosome number 21. How does it occur? Let's take a look. As we know that there are two divisions in the meiotic cell division. In the first division, the homologous chromosome 21 successfully separate into two cells. However, problem exists in the second meiotic cell division. One of the cells, the sister chromatid fails to separate, leading to an extra chromosome 21 in the gamete. If you have an extra chromosome 21 in one of the gametes, such as the ovum, mixing with a normal sperm gamete with another chromosome 21, altogether you will have 3 chromosome 21. Having an extra amount of chromosome 21 is no good. It will lead to the problem called Down syndrome. When the mother's age increases, the risk of having children with Down syndrome also increase. That means in the second meiotic cell division, the chance for the sister chromatid to fail to separate also increase. The distinctive features of being Down syndrome is they have moon face, 面圓圓嘅, and also they may be mentally retarded, 有智力障礙嘅. So the advice to all the female who would like to avoid having a Down syndrome baby is, you can try to start the pregnancy in the early stages of your life. Don't be a golden tanfu. And the second thing is, if you already bear a baby, you can try to have the Down syndrome check. The picture below shows you the different checking method for the Down syndrome. It is for your reference only, and the accuracy is very high as well. So that's it for this lesson about the chromosome mutation. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will see you in the next lesson. Bye bye.